Guacamole is one of the most consumed sauces in the world. It is made from avocados, and its main producer is Mexico, which produces more than 2 million tons of guacamole each year. But how are millions of avocados transformed into such a tasty and popular sauce? Today we will travel to Mexico and delve into the largest guacamole factory in the world. There, we will see the entire process that each avocado undergoes, from when it is harvested until the guacamole is packaged, ready to be enjoyed. So, get ready, because today we are going to discover how this delicious sauce is produced on a massive scale. Let's begin. Step number 1, avocado cultivation and harvest. The process begins in the farmlands, where the avocados start their journey to become guacamole. The ideal regions for avocado cultivation are Mexico, Central America, and parts of South America, where conditions are perfect. Did you know that Mexico produces more than 30% of the world's avocados? These areas offer the perfect conditions for the trees to grow, ensuring a high-quality harvest. The Hass avocado is the most popular for its flavor and creamy texture. Farmers cultivate these trees with care, ensuring they have enough water and are protected from pests. Each tree can produce up to 400 fruits per year if cared for properly. But it is a process that requires patience, as the avocado takes between 3 and 5 years to start bearing fruit. Before harvesting, farmers inspect each avocado to ensure it has the right color and perfect ripeness level. The avocados should have a dark green skin and a texture that indicates they are ready to be picked, neither too hard nor too soft. Harvesting is done with vibrating harvesting machines. The machine vibrates and shakes the avocados, which fall directly into a collection system, minimizing the risk of damage. For the lower branches, manual pickers do the job, ensuring not to damage the fruits. In a single day, using this method, up to 1,000 kilos of avocados can be harvested from a single field. This process streamlines the harvest and improves efficiency, ensuring high-quality production. Once harvested, the avocados are carefully placed in boxes or containers to avoid any damage. The next step is to transport these fruits to the processing plant as quickly as possible, to ensure they arrive fresh and at their optimal ripeness. Let's take a look. Step number 2. Transportation and reception at the processing plant. Once harvested, the avocados are quickly transported to processing plants to preserve their freshness. This transfer is not simple. Trucks with advanced refrigeration systems are used to maintain the avocados at the ideal temperature throughout the journey, ensuring they arrive in perfect condition. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the avocados undergo a thorough inspection. Detailed visual checks are carried out, and to identify possible internal defects not visible to the naked eye, advanced technologies such as scanners and sensors are used. Only avocados that meet quality standards, free of blemishes or damage, proceed to the next phase of the process. With the selected and ready avocados, it is time to move on to washing and sorting, a crucial step to ensure that only the best avocados are used in guacamole production. Step number 3. Washing and sorting. Before being processed, the avocados must be thoroughly washed. To do this, they go through a state-of-the-art washing system, where water is sprayed, and they are carefully brushed to remove any residual dirt, dust, or impurities that may have remained during harvesting and transportation. This process not only ensures product hygiene, but also protects the quality of the guacamole in the subsequent stages of the production process. Every hour, these machines are capable of washing up to 20,000 avocados, ensuring fast and efficient production. Once clean, the avocados undergo automated sorting. Large machines scan the fruits, evaluating their size, color, and ripeness to determine which ones meet quality standards. Only avocados at their optimal ripeness proceed to the next phase, while those that do not meet these criteria are diverted for other uses, such as avocado oil or fertilizer production. This ensures that only the best quality avocados continue the process towards guacamole production. With the avocados perfectly sorted and ready, we move on to the next step, automated peeling and pitting. Let's take a look. Step number 4, peeling and pitting. With the avocados sorted, it's time to send them to the peeling and pitting lines. At this stage, large specialized machines cut the avocados in half with precision, removing the pit and peel without wasting any pulp. These machines are designed to process large volumes, allowing thousands of avocados to be processed in a short time, which improves efficiency and reduces manual labor. However, operators also play a crucial role in this process, monitoring the operation of the machines and ensuring that everything runs smoothly. If a problem is detected or an avocado does not pass the cutting process, the operators take care of correcting it immediately. The avocado pulp, now completely clean, is carefully removed and transported to the next steps in the process. This step is essential to maintain the smooth and creamy texture of the avocado without losing its integrity. With the pulp ready and in its best form, let's move on to the next step, where the ingredients will be mixed to create that unique guacamole flavor. Let's go. Step number 5. Mixing ingredients. This process is one of the most impressive. The extracted avocado pulp goes into huge mixing machines, capable of handling up to 2,000 kilograms of avocado per batch. These high-capacity machines allow the process to be fast and efficient, ensuring that large volumes of guacamole are produced in a short time. In these mixers, the key ingredients for guacamole are incorporated, such as onion, cilantro, tomato, and lime juice, which provide that fresh and unique flavor we all know. In addition, salt and spices are added to achieve the perfect balance between all the ingredients. Lime juice, apart from providing freshness, also acts as an antioxidant, preventing the avocado from oxidizing and helping to maintain its vibrant green color. The mixing machines ensure that all ingredients are evenly integrated, creating a creamy texture, but with small chunks that add authenticity to the guacamole. Throughout the process, operators monitor that the mixture has the right consistency and that the flavor is always consistent, adjusting any ingredient if necessary. With the mixture ready, the guacamole is almost ready to be enjoyed, but first it must be packaged properly to maintain its freshness. Step number 6. Packaging and preservation. Once the guacamole has been prepared and mixed, it's time to ensure it stays fresh and delicious. The impressive automated vacuum packaging lines can fill up to 100,000 packages per hour, placing the guacamole in airtight bags or containers. This process not only maintains the freshness of the product, but also protects its flavor and texture until it reaches supermarket shelves. But how does guacamole stay fresh without preservatives? This is where high-pressure technology, also known as HPP or high-pressure processing, comes in. This procedure subjects the packages to extreme levels of pressure, eliminating microorganisms without affecting the product's quality. Thanks to this technology, guacamole can stay fresh for up to 75 days, as if it were freshly made. Finally, the ready packages are labeled and stored in controlled conditions, where temperature and humidity are carefully regulated. From there, the guacamole is distributed to supermarkets and points of sale around the world, carrying with it the authentic and fresh flavor. With the guacamole ready for distribution, let's move on to the final step of the process. Step number 7. Packing and distribution. With the guacamole packaged, it's time to pack it for distribution. The guacamole is placed in its final packaging, which is sealed and labeled with all the necessary information for shipping. Every hour, more than 50,000 packages of guacamole are packed and ready to be shipped to different parts of the world. From physical stores to online platforms, guacamole products are distributed efficiently, thanks to a highly advanced logistics process. The guacamole manufacturing process is fascinating. From avocado cultivation to final packaging, each step ensures a fresh, delicious, and high-quality product. To finish, tell us, were you surprised by everything involved in making guacamole? What do you usually eat it with? Leave us your answer in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more amazing manufacturing processes. See you in the next video.